Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making creamy chicken chili. Y'all, this is fast and it's delicious. Please watch my videos to the end. They are short and it helps the channel a lot. Now, let's do what we do and make it happen. First thing we're going to do is prep some vegetables, starting with chopping a yellow onion. We're going to slice one jalapeno, which isn't all that hot these days as big as they grow them. I mean, that's just my personal opinion. I prefer serranos for heat. Okay, we're gonna chop a clove of garlic. Yo, grab Chef Kendra's kitchen cookbook. The link is high up in the description below. Finish the video first, then go buy the book, son. Eat it. We have this pot over medium-low heat. We're adding a little vegetable oil, the onions, and the garlic. We've cooked and stirred the onions and garlic a couple of minutes. Now we toss it in the chicken. This is a rotisserie chicken with the skin removed and roughly chopped into bite-sized pieces. This is great for leftover baked chicken too. If you're going to go the rotisserie route, get something mild. You don't want the flavor of the rotisserie chicken to overpower the wonderful flavors of our chili. Of course, you can use grilled chicken breast or whatever is your kitchen. Do what you want. We've added some chicken broth and we're going to stir that around a bit. Now we're going to add garlic powder, Italian seasoning, cumin, black pepper, cayenne pepper, and salt. Now the canned diced green chilies get tossed in. We're gonna stir. Now we're gonna add 1 can of drained and rinsed Great Northern beans and stir those in well. We're going to turn up the heat and bring our chili to a boil. Alright, at this stage, now that we're boiling, we're going to reduce the heat and let it go for 30 minutes. Okay, the 30 minutes is up. Now we're going to add some sour cream. Heavy whipping cream goes in. And we're just going to mix this in. Hey you, I see you watching. Hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss a thing. You can find this and other fine recipes at chefkendra.weebly.com. That's chefkendra.weebly.com. You know I got you. That's all for this time. I'll see you next time. Chef Kendra is out. Peace.